Hello, my darlings. It's so good to see you. I have just received a new book from the library, and we're going to sing it together right now. So get comfortable. It's time for
Once upon a time with Beatrice Butterworth.
Hello, my darlings. Our story today is I've been working on the railroad, illustrated by Sandra D'Antonio and edited by Owen. Now, this is a wonderful traditional song, my dears, and we're going to sing it together. What do you see when you sing a song? Does the music come in colors? What do you do when you sing a song? Does the melody make you dance? What do you hear when you sing a song? Do the words tell a story? Let's explore the sights and sounds of one of our favorite songs. Now please sing along with me. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn! Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Ho, ho, ho. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and singing fee-fi, fiddly-I-o, fee-fi, fiddly-I-o, ho, 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 fee-fi, fiddly-I-o, strumming on the old banjo. The end. My darlings, if you enjoyed this story, please press the red button underneath my video to subscribe. This will make it easy for you to come back and read along with me.